So this is the first print. We had a bit of mess at the start. Let's see if it can recover it. I can't remember how many hours the print time was of this, but yeah, we'll see if it can recover, like I say, from that little bit of mess underneath it. See if it continues to print okay and what happens. It's the first test print. That's all I can say really. Yeah, we'll come back when we've got a couple of millimeters on it. So we're now on to the second layer. Looks quite a good pace. Not that I have anything to compare it against, but yeah, I'm so far reasonably impressed. Just need to figure out why I had the little bit of mess at the start. But yeah, all good. Okay. So this is probably layer 3, I think now. Starting to actually get some depth of colour now we are. Alright, let's see where it's up to in 20 minutes or so. So we're about an hour and a half in now. 1 hour 29 minutes. Still going okay. The detail is not phenomenal, but I can play around with the parameters for the next print. As I said, this is only the first print. You can see it's starting to form the numbers on the dice.